Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to reset Atomberg Smart Ceiling Fan. So let's check it out. We are using the Atomberg Renaissance Smart Plus fan, but hopefully these steps could be applicable for other models too. Atomberg fans are good. They have several designs, remote functionality, mobile app, etc. The airflow is decent, I would say, but they can improve a lot. And if we want to reset the fan, then here are the steps for that. So to do this, we have to use the Atomberg Smart Fan remote. Make sure it is working fine and connected to your fan. And right now we have connected our Atomberg home app to the fan. We can see our fan connected here. But once we do the reset, this will be disconnected as well. We have to do this again, connect this. We have a separate video for doing this. I'll share that link in the description. So when the fan is running, we have to take our remote and we have to turn off the fan using the remote like this. We will get this light effect, and when the fan is slowing down, we have to press this LED button for a few seconds. Let's say 5 seconds. We have to press it. We will get this light effect, and now we will get this rotating effect. Okay, that's all. Now the reset is complete. So after the reset, we can use our remote without any issue. It will work fine. We can increase the speed, we can change the LED light, we can do all that. And our Atomberg home app, if we open the home app, our fan will be disconnected here because of the reset. We have to connect it once again. These are the steps to reset our Atomberg Smart Ceiling Fan. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.